What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Owl. Welcome to my kitchen for the first episode of my new cooking show, Cooking with Black Owl. If y'all know me, you know that I love to cook. And I've had a lot of people asking for my recipes lately. So I figured, hell, I just kill two birds with one stone and do two of my favorite things. And that's cook and talk to y'all. Unbelievable, baby. Unbelievable. 50 episodes. You know, that right there was my very first episode, and you know, I remember doing that with my phone, man. I just had that little cell phone trying to move it around and get shit right. And you know, now look at your boy. I got lights, I got cameras, and I got all the action, baby. And I got 50 episodes. So I want to thank each and every one of you for helping me get to 50 episodes. I mean that from the bottom of my gut, baby. And I love you for it, you know, because without you, I couldn't have done this. Y'all watch every week, you comment, you give me love, you try the recipes out, you subscribe, you like, you share, you do all these great things for your boy, and I love you to death. And as long as you watch it, I'm going to keep on cooking. So we're not stopping today. We're going to keep going all the way. So to celebrate the 50, I'm making slow cooker brisket, baby. And it's going to be a good one. But it's going to take a long time. So we better get our ass up and see what's going on in that kitchen. So let's get going, baby. That's right, baby. Slow cooker brisket. A big old meat for a big old celebration. Celebrating the 50th episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Now, I actually came in and started this last night. And I gotta tell you straight up, I was a little drunk when I started this shit. It's about 9 o'clock. I had been drinking some beers. And, you know, I was kind of tired. But I wandered my ass in here, boy, because I knew I had to get started. Because this brisket takes a long time. And the best way to cook is overnight. Because what you gonna do? You gonna sleep, you ain't gonna worry about it. So I snuck in here and I put some rub on here. Basically what I did is just add some salt and some pepper on there just for flavor. Rub that in and I placed it in the crock pot and set the crock pot on low. And like I said, it's been in there about 8 hours. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this grease, because it's got a little bit of grease in the bottom of it from cooking, and we're gonna drain that off because we don't want that to mix in with our barbecue sauce because it's gonna make it nasty. So we got that drained out right now, and we're gonna add sauce. And you know what I got today? Sweet baby Ray's, the good shit, baby. Just some old honey barbecue sauce, straight from the bumblebee's ass. So we're gonna put this in there right now. Cover it up with that good barbecue sauce, baby. And then we're gonna let this cook for about another hour, an hour and a half on low, just to get a good caramelization on there. So while we let this cook, let's take a look back at some of my favorite moments from the past 50 episodes, shall we? I think so. We got our thin sliced beef. We're gonna let it all stew together, baby. Let it marinate, let it get that good flavor.
That's right.
And I'm gonna marinate myself while I'm at it.
Get it.
Yeah. Y'all check this out. Here we go. Burgers and fries and cherry pies. It was simple and good back then. Walking in the sand, hand in hand, never thinking that it would end. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. I was jamming. Charlie Pride, baby. Now we got the burgers. Now, our dry rub today is one I haven't tried before. And this is brown sugar and bourbon seasoning. Let me get a little smell of that too, because I ain't never had it. That just smells intoxicating. Like it gets you drunk. Go ahead and be real liberal with your seasoning, your rub, whatever you like to call it. And you rub that in. That's why they call it dry rub, sir. Rub it in there, massage it real good, and sing to it, sweet, sweet meat. Yes, sir. One of these days you're gonna see me on Food Network. Me and Emerald. Well, wasn't that a blast from the past? But we're in the future now, baby, or more like the present. And look at this present. This is a gift to everybody. A big old brisket. It's looking nice and it's ready to slice. We pull it out and put it on our cutting board here. And now when you slice a brisket, yeah, and you may not be able to see it with all the barbecue sauce on top, but there's kind of a grain to it. There's almost some lines in it that will tell you when and where to cut. So you just want to take your knife and kind of start on those lines. And be real careful, because if you've had this in there like I have for, what's it been now? Probably about 12 hours. This stuff's just going to fall apart on you, baby. It's going to be so tender and good. So we're gonna keep cutting, and once we get it all sliced up, we're just gonna stand back and admire this big old beautiful chunk of meat. And I ain't talking about me either, I'm talking about this brisket. And then we'll be ready for me to have a big old bite, and we'll have a wonderful night. So let's get it done. Alright baby, the time has come. The slow cooker brisket is done. And I'm having that first bite for me, baby. That's good shit right there. Cooked it so long and it's just so tender. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on the 50th episode of Cooking with Black Owl. And you know what? I think that deserves a toast. Don't you? Cheers to you, baby. Oh, yeah. Sweet stuff. Ooh. Yes. Thank you very much. I thank all of you out there, and I love you, baby. You make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media and watch all my other recipes right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time, baby.